Verisurf 2022 introduces a new graphical analysis format for reporting 2D cross-section analysis that helps visualize tolerance condition by overlaying the tolerance band on the deviation plot. When a 2D object or scan cross-section is compared to a model, the analysis object line display can be configured to show the deviation outline and tolerance band defined by the callout for surface profile. Visualization of the tolerance band simplifies interpretation of tolerance condition and helps clarify the inspection results. The analysis can be rendered with or without deviations and tolerance band, and the outline display supports all tolerance zones, including equal and unequal bilateral, as well as unilateral tolerance. The 2D cross-section outline and tolerance band can be displayed for profiles extracted from non-contact scan data, as well as profile scans measured with tactile scanning devices, such as CMMs, arms, and trackers. The graphical display of 2D cross-section analysis provides powerful, clear reporting of tolerance condition. To see the difference, schedule a demonstration at verisurf.com. Continue to watch the Verisurf 2022 Feature Highlights series and subscribe to our channel to learn more.